The African Union mission in Somalia, AMISOM, has officially handed over the country's national stadium to the government, which they had been occupying since 2011. Somali President Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo, in army uniform, inspected the Muqdisho stadium before the handover by the AMISOM peacekeepers on August 27. We are going to spare no efforts in restoring this Muqdisho stadium to its former glory, said President Farmajo. The AU troops started forgetting the stadium earlier in this month, following a request from the Somali government in July.
It's a historical day when we first begin the process of transition implementation in which the AMISOM is handing over responsibilities of security and management of facilities and installations to the federal government of Somalia, and indeed specifically the security forces of Somalia.
In 1973, Muqdisho Stadium hosted all African Games. The stadium is the biggest sports center in the Somali capital. 24 hours after government took over Muqdisho Stadium from AMISOM, the government took action to renovate the stadium that was recently vacated by AMISOM troops. Also, Somali Prime Minister launched clean-up campaign at Muqdisho Stadium with cabinet ministries. The stadium has been used as a military base by AMISOM since 2011 before the withdrawal from it on Monday. Do-it-yourself campaign is underway in Muqdisho to clean up rebuilding the capital's biggest soccer stadium. On Thursday, the residents were joined by Somali Prime Minister Hassan Ali Kere, who told them not to wait for help from outside.
idin dhisa garoonkan inaad iska ilowdaan qof idin dhisaysa male idinku diyaar ma u tihiin inaad dhisataan
Abduqaadir Qoslaaye, Muqdisho.